Oh no. Oh, there they are.
Today we're teaming up with Tim and Faith on their Can Am Spyders. We head over to the Eastern Shore for lunch. Back in November, we did a video with them where we did a ride after they got their Spyder out of the shop after an encounter with a raccoon. The raccoon lost. And we answer a question from the meetup. Why did we start a YouTube travel channel?
Oh, this view, I never get tired of it. It just makes me feel like I should exhale. Traffic, and we were 30 minutes late to meet up. This time, we were 10 minutes early to our destination. We just went to the wrong destination. Oh my gosh. It's a wonder we have any friends at all. But I'm looking forward to riding with them. They're such a fun couple.
After arriving at the incorrect rendezvous point, then driving over to where we had originally planned to meet them, we head north on US Route 13 to Cape Charles, Virginia.
There's a whole nother level of trust.
And it's a whole lot of fun too. Thank you. The quickest way to get from Virginia Beach to Cape Charles is US 13 across the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. It's the quickest way to get there unless you have a boat or an airplane. The bridge tunnel became mandatory after an asteroid impact formed the Chesapeake Bay 35 million years ago. On a Thursday, to be exact.
Oh, it is so good to be outside. It has been a wild week. I feel like the folks at work on a campaign to just suck every bit of sanity from my brain before I leave. I think I have less than 30 work days left. Not that I'm trying not to count, because I keep telling myself I'm not serving a prison term. You know, I don't want to wish my life away. But it's been really stressful and challenging for a lot of reasons that I won't get into, but it's so good to be outside, and I'm still processing last week when we were in Florida for my nephew's wedding. It was just so good to see family again and to meet his bride and my son's girlfriend, and you know, just enjoy being with each other, you know. We just got to seize every opportunity to create those memories. So.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee.
I love small towns like this. They have so much character. Lots of folks drive their golf cart around. Some of the homes have been nicely restored. Some need some TLC. Old-fashioned drugstore on the corner. It's a hardware store with a pot-bellied stove. You know, I always feel like we're back in the 1950s. Oh, there's a restaurant over in the distance. Have to cut through like we're going to the Coast Guard station. There's a golf cart. United States Coast Guard, Cape Charles. I love a place where you can arrive by boat, or walk, spider, car, and the windblown look is perfectly acceptable. Oh, a lot of crab pots. Here we are, the shanty.
Here is today's pro tip. If you're recording your ride, always remember to turn your camera off before leaving your ride, unless you just want to get a half an hour of sky and seagulls.
Y'all been in the bathroom in there? Paper towel holder says voice activated. I said, I ain't shouting at that paper towel holder.
Voice activated?
That's what it says on the paper towel holder. There's a sticker on there. It says voice.
The best part of any ride is a meal with good friends. After that, we stop at a coffee shop for the obligatory selfies.
We think that's wheat, just about ready to be harvested. We're not sure. Might be rye. Hard to know.
No ride with us would be complete without rain. We get a little bit of a shower, but we quickly air dry.
Oh, it looks awfully gray over there. We might be getting wet again. You can feel the temperature has dropped.
During our meetup at the Shenandoah National Park, one of the questions I was asked was, how did our YouTube channel come into being? Like anything, that's not really a simple story. I discovered many years ago that I'm a natural storyteller. I'll tell a story to anybody who will listen. And at the core, one of my values is when I have reached a goal, because I'm quite goal-oriented, is to shine a light on the path that I have taken to reach my goal and sort of reach back to help others up towards reaching their goal. I have always found that to be very satisfying. So back in 1993, I visited the Southwest United States for the first time and the Grand Canyon. I was overwhelmed by the experience. I took what was then a state-of-the-art VHS camcorder, which was the size of a shoebox, and shot at the unbelievable quality of 480i. This was back in the day when TV resolution was at 720. 1080 would not be invented for another 20 years. While shooting the Grand Canyon with the video recorder, I literally ached to be able to tell the story of what I was seeing and what I was experiencing to others. But YouTube itself had not yet been invented. So I was restricted to show my homemade, grainy, unedited, raw VHS videos to anybody who would sit in my living room and let me bore them with the story. Then in 2014, Miriam got me my very first GoPro camera for a Christmas present. In that August, the Can Am Spyder came into our consciousness. Digital editing came into existence, and the monster was created. For me personally, it's just a bit of satisfaction to tell stories and put them on the internet. The mere fact that anybody would have any interest in watching my little homemade videos still surprises me. For those of you who watch our channel, I just say humbly, thank you.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Feel free to leave a comment below.